Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Welcome to this segment of Khoj Gurbani's A Shabad a Day. Our recitation today is from Gaudi Mahalla Panjwa and is recited as follows. Kar kar tehel rasna gun gavo, charan thakur ke marg tavo, palo samo simran ki bariya, सिमरत नाम भय पार उतरिया रहाओ। नेत्र संतन का दर्शन पेख, प्रभ अविनाशी मन महलेख। सुन कीर्तन साध भय जाए, जन्म मरण की त्रास मिटाए। चरण कमल ठाकुर और तार, दुलभ देहे नानक निस्तार. On the benefit of visiting the holy congregation and on the fact that this human life is Palo Samo, the auspicious time, the time to do something important, which is Simran Ki Bariya. This is the turn to do Simran. And what does Simran mean? It means to re-establish one's contact with the self that has been forgotten. Recall. This is that process. This is that time. That is what human life is. And by doing Simran, Simrat Naam Bhai Par Utariya. So what do you have to recall? The knowledge of the self. And when that happens, Bhai Par Utariya. Par Utariya, that you actually land on the other bank of the ocean of fear. Bhai, fear, refers to Bhai Sagar or Bhav Sagar. Because the passage of our life is seen as one that is traversed with fear, because that is our existential angst, fear of dying, fear of losing. That is how ordinary life is lived. So that really is the central message here in this Pankti. Bhalo samo simran ki bariya, simrat naam bhai par utariya. Bhai par utariya. We need to make sure that we land on the other side of the river or the ocean of existence. And in order to do that, you need knowledge of the self. You need Naam. So therefore, there are some things that we can do and incorporate in our lives. The Guru begins by telling us, Kar, Kar, Kar. Two similar sounding words with different meanings. Kar means to do. Kar also means the hands. And what distinguishes them in the way they are written is a vowel sign that tells you that with your hands, tehel. Tehel means a walk, but to serve. Kar, 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 kar tehel, rasna gun gavo. So two things are going on here. The tongue is singing praises or glorifying, edifying the self. The hands are serving. This is, the Guru says, Charan Thakur ke marg tavo. This is the way of the master. So this is referring to Sikhi, the way of the Guru. You have to use your hands to serve. Your speech should be to praise the self. So we noticed that the Guru also reminds us that we have to guard our tongue against bootlicking against fault nitpicking, both. And similarly, our actions must be in service of humanity. So we have to practice this. This is the outward practice of Charana Thakur ke Marg Tavo. This is how you follow in the footsteps of the Master. Here, the Satgur. And of course, Bhalo Samo. This is the time. The time is auspicious. Don't miss it. Netra Santanka. Darsanapek. Netra Santanka. Santan is plural of Sant. Here refers to the congregation that gathers around a Sant, or a congregation of seekers. Netra Santanka. What that means is see, feel the presence of the holy congregation. Darsanapek. Darsan has a dual meaning. It's actually seeing with the eyes, which means be present in the holy congregation. It also means philosophy or outlook. In other words, when you are in the presence of seekers, learn from them, learn the way from them. And they teach you what? Prabh Avinasi Man Mahalek. They teach you how to feel the presence of the self in the mind within. This is the practice of being in what we call Sangat. Sun Kirtan Saad Peh Jaye, Janam Maran Ki Tras Mitaye. Sun Kirtan, by listening to the glorification. Kirtan, what we do in Gurdwaras collectively. Sadh pe jahe. Sadh, the Guru. In the presence of the Guru. Nowadays, the presence of the Guru is a mystical one. It is in the Guru Granth Sahib. But that's a mystical union with the Guru. And collectively sing Kirtan. And in such a manner, Janam Maran ki tras mitaye. Get over the illusion of coming and going, of birth and death. Because Gurbani tells us this really is an illusion that the ego suffers from. It is only when you're in ego consciousness that you feel being born and dying. But once you transcend the ego, you realize that the reality is something quite different. Charan Kamal Thakur Urdhar Dulamb Dehe Nanak Nistar. Nistar is to show the way. You have a Dulamb Deh, meaning a body that is not easy to come by. It's very hard to get. It's rare. So therefore, don't miss the opportunity that has come your way. Take it. Charan Kamal Thakur Urdhar. Follow the way of the Thakur, the Master, the Satgur. It will take you across the ocean of fear. On that note, until the next time, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.